welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 7a, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this device. Now, I'll be using tempered glass for a different device, which is Huawei Honor 20, but the application will basically be the same no matter what the glass is. And number two, as you will see, this glass basically fits perfectly over this phone's display. As you can see, it's perfect fit. So that's why I'm going to be using this. But anyway, before we get started with applying the tempered glass, I'm going to quickly touch upon a couple of things. So number one, with your package you should probably have wet and dry wipe, and obviously the tempered glass. Now if you have wet and dry wipes that look like this, I recommend just throwing them out because they're absolutely useless. Now if you have ones that, for instance, might be looking like this with a little microfiber cloth, kind of like this one, then that's great. These will work just really well. In case that you don't have any kind of good wipes, you could use a microfiber cloth, for instance something like this if you have one, or just a t-shirt if you have one that is just not gonna leave any kind of residue. So I'm gonna be using, I guess, this little guy right here to clean off the display, but before I do so, I'm gonna touch upon how you actually should apply your tempered glass. And with that being said, your tempered glass will most likely have this little sticker like this one with one, or maybe just gonna say start and finish if you have two stickers. I have only one, but in case that you have two of them, you will always start with number one. This will always reveal the sticky side on the tempered glass, which then you will just flip over and place on your display. And when applying the tempered glass, you can actually grab a little foam that was in the package. When applying tempered glass, I do it at an angle. So I kind of apply it like this. And I will start off by aligning the top of the tempered glass with the top of the phone. If you have some kind of cutout for your camera, then you want to align the cutout obviously with the camera, and then just make sure that it's laying correctly, so it's not like spaced too unevenly. And the way I do it is by pinching the tempered glass from both sides, and then also pinching the phone itself, which will give me a nice feel of what is the middle point for the tempered glass. And then doing the same kind of thing at the bottom, I'll lower it down, and then again just shift it to the point that it feels that it's evenly spread out, and then just simply drop it onto the display. So that is my way of applying the tempered glass. Now let's clean off our display. Now you want to obviously get rid of any kind of dust and debris that might be on your display. Once you have done so, when you have no dust on your display, go straight into applying your tempered glass, just so there is as little time for the dust to settle on display as possible. Now it looks like I might want to move it a little bit lower, or higher actually. There we go. So I did drop it, it didn't start sticking to the display just yet, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure, and you can see it's now sticking. Now if it's not covering the entire phone, you can just apply pressure yourself. In certain cases where, for instance like it is for me, it gets a little bit of an air bubble in a corner. As you can see, I try to press it down, but it just compressed the air, so I recommend using your fingernail, lift it up, and then lower it back down to get rid of the air completely. And there you go. The tempered glass is now applied perfectly to the display, and that's basically it. Now I'll mention one more thing, because we do have under display fingerprint sensor right here, which when applying tempered glass like I just did, which is not designed for this device, you might encounter problems where the fingerprint sensor won't recognize your finger anymore because the tempered glass is a little bit too thick. That is the case, for instance, with Samsung devices. So in this case, you might be looking for a tempered glass that is significantly thinner compared to the normal one, so the fingerprint sensor can still function correctly. But anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.